Hello everyone, this is Harry from Iris Communication. Here I am for showing you how you can remove a RAM or you can put a new RAM to your VAIO VGN version. It's come with different models, and here we have one RAM. This is 1 GB DDR2 notebook RAM. Okay, I have all this. Now for this process, you need to go to the back of the notebook as I flip this one, and here is a port in this model for the RAM. But before doing this, we have to remove the battery. Here is the battery. First unlock your battery if it's locked, and slowly, gently remove this out. Move this out. Okay. Now here is one screw. We have to lose this one. I take a common screwdriver and I'm trying to lose this one. Okay, as I lose this one, here I have one hole to hold here, and do gently and open. As you see, it's not so much difficult. Here is 2 port for 2 RAM. I have already 1 RAM. Remove this one. Has 2 clips at 2 sides. I drag and the RAM is coming gently outside. As you see, it's come out. And all I need to do, drag it out, and a new RAM I can put at its place. Okay, as is DDR2, so perfect. And push, it will go inside. The clip will make some noise, so it's adjusted. Now if you want, you can connect another RAM to at another port as I show you. Make the point match together, push, done. Shasta, so beautiful, so nice. And cover it again with this cover and tight the screw. Okay, thank you so much for watching. If you have any comment or if you have any question, leave me some comment. And for more information, as always, go to the Iris Communication, www.iriscommunication.com. Good night, ciao, buenas noches.